Welcome to All Things Mac. Just a quick little video this afternoon. Just like to report on when I downgraded from Catalina to Mojave, and you had a time machine backup that was made only on Catalina. This is how I did the restore. So I did not select applications. And then when I went to Documents and Data, I clicked on the Edit button. And I just selected my main folders, Desktop Documents and Downloads, and let the hidden library come back. And I didn't bother with movies, music, pictures, or public. Now, pictures I could have restored, but movies and music, there's no point in restoring them directly. You should just use them as imports. And pictures, again, it depends on, if you use Apple's Photos app, then the library that you have in pictures is not going to be readable by Photos app on Mojave. So again, you might as well just leave it on your backup and not restore it. And then you can just use that as an import source. It's a little complicated. You have to right-click on the library, go Show Package Contents, and drag the originals or masters, whichever one it's called, out onto your desktop, and then import from there. So anyway, that's just a quick tip if you're restoring from a Catalina time machine backup. And the other thing that happened is that all the items in my dock became question marks, and then I had to re-drag things down to the dock. And I also had to issue a permissions fix command, which you'll find in my video on fixing permissions for Adobe Lightroom, which I'll put a link to up here. So that's just a quick tip for you when you're restoring from a time machine backup you did on Catalina to Mojave. Thanks for watching, and fade out.